factor. And the way of slowing down or stopping an enzyme from its activity is known as enzyme inhibition. Enzymatic inhibition are mainly divided into three types. 1. Reversible inhibition. In this case, the inhibition can be reversible and the normal reaction can be achievable. The reversible inhibition can be taken place by three ways. A. Competitive inhibition. B. Non-competitive inhibition. C. Uncompetitive inhibition. 2. Irreversible inhibition. In this type, there is no way of reversing the inhibition. 3. Feedback inhibition. Here, the resultant of the enzymatic reaction regulates the activity of same enzyme responsible for its production. Competitive inhibition. In competitive inhibition, the competitive inhibitor structure or functional group resembles the substrates. Here, since inhibitor has the same structure as substrate, it competes with the substrate for binding to the active site of the enzyme. If an inhibitor is bound to the active site, prevents the substrate molecules to access the active site and thus decreases the enzyme activity. Since competitive inhibition is reversible in nature, by increasing the substrate concentration will be the possible way to the competitive inhibitor. Many therapeutic drugs are developed based on competitive inhibition principle. Example: antihistamines inhibit histidine decarboxylase, which converts histidine to histamine. Another one widely studied example, while studying competitive inhibition, is succinate dehydrogenase activity. Succinate acts as substrate for the enzyme succinate dehydrogenase, which converts it into end product fumarate. But mannose, which resembles the succinate structure, competes with succinate for the active site in succinate dehydrogenase, reduces the rate of the reaction. Non-competitive inhibition. In this type, a non-competitive inhibitor binds to the enzyme at other than the active site. This binding pushes the enzyme to change its conformation. This will result the loss of the active site to which substrate has to bind. In this way, the inhibitor decreases the enzyme activity. The non-competitive inhibitor alters the tertiary structure of the enzyme and the active site. Example: heavy metals ions such as lead and mercury bind to cysteine, which is present in enzyme away from active site. Hence, the consumption of heavy metals into the body